First time on a Honda CBR 600Rr. This is going to be a fun one. Oh yeah, let's get it. So this is the girl we'll be taking out today. Got my boy Josh over there on my R6, taking out his Honda CBR 600. I'm excited, real excited. Never been on one before. Oh, first time on a CBR. The only thing I don't like about this one is I don't have any mirrors, which is kind of difficult. Not used to that anymore. Haven't done that in a minute. So this is my buddy's CBR 600, first time, first review ever on a Honda CBR in general. And I want to compare it to my R6 today, so I'm gonna get used to it for a little bit. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about her. While I'm stuck behind some traffic, I want to tell you some of the first things I noticed about this bike is it redlines at 15,000, so I'm assuming it's gonna have a lower RPM power band compared to my Yamaha R6 back there. So I can't wait to actually get on the road and open her up and see what she can do. Feels more planted than my R6 does. I don't know if the bike's a little bit heavier in a certain spot. Maybe the central exhaust is doing something for me. He has a Two Brothers carbon fiber slip-on, which sounds good. Not mad with it at all. So let's see, man. I'm excited, very excited to ride this bike. I would for sure say this bike's louder than my R6. I really do like the loudness. I like these levers, ASB levers. I know they're pretty pricey. When he bought the bike, they came on him. I was kind of jealous, to be honest. 110 bucks a pop, I think, or at least 100. That's ridiculous for levers in my mind. But they feel good. They feel strong. Like if you ever were to go down, they'd probably be the only thing still standing. I'm going to have to check to see what tires he has on this, because I feel in the corners, when you start leaning, the bike just stays there. Like it stays right at your lean point until you physically try to move it. My R6, it wants to play around a little bit where you have to do more of the work. This one, like I can just stay on that left lean without putting a lot of effort into it. It might just be my tires are getting a little bit older. That might be a main factor. But it feels good, man. Feels real good. Sounds good. I'm ready to open her up. I can flat foot so easy on this bike compared to my R6. He's taller than me. He's probably about 6'2", 6'3", and you can see, try to flat foot. Yes, he has it easier on that, but look, he's making me look tall. I have bent knees on a CBR 600. For you shorter riders, it's maybe the option to go to. All right, when I test ride bikes, I like to actually see what they can do. See where the Honda fanboys come from. Man, 600s are fun. I really like this windscreen. Blocks a lot of it. I might have to go get a bigger one for myself. Bigger windscreen, nicer levers. Woo. I'm going to put the Craigslist link down in the description. My boy's selling it. Decent price, real cool dude. So if you guys are interested in the North Florida, South Georgia area, come check it out. Let's see some corner action. Absolutely planted in the corners. Woo-hoo. So much easier. It just stays in the corners, man. Oh my goodness, this bike's fun. If he's selling this thing for cheap enough, this thing would make a great track bike. Just listen to this exhaust. I don't think it has a cat. There's no way a slip-on would be this loud. Those backfires though. That's naughty. Look at the R6 though. How you doing? Looks nice and clean. Man, if I didn't already have my R6 and didn't see gorgeous supermotos on Craigslist every other day, I would for sure snag this as a track bike. It feels amazing in the corners. Combo. I need some short. I need these levers. I'm really enjoying this bike actually. I like how stiff it feels. That's one thing I can really tell a difference in. It's definitely more fluid and not as aggressive as my R6, which I assumed correctly. You get more of your power evenly in the lower RPMs as opposed to my R6, where you get basically nothing up to 8,000 and then it just jolts you back. Saying that, I believe this bike would be easier to start on than my Yamaha R6. You have to think, a lower seat height, so you can flat foot even if you're a little shorter, which I say I can flat foot this all day compared to my R6. A better seating position, doesn't hurt your back as much, not as aggressive, and a more fluid power band as opposed to my R6, which just snatches you around 8,000 to 9,000. I can see why a lot of people like Honda CBRs now. I'm not brand specific at all. I just love my Yamaha R6. Leave it down in the comments. Do you like the CBR or the R6 better? And I want to say thank you guys for watching. KillaCam on Facebook, at KillaCamR6 on Instagram. You guys go enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. KillaCam out.